Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing the brim of his head with a long rectangular shape across. Like that. And above that shape, slightly inwards from the edge at the side, on the left, a line upwards. For the upper part of the head, curve line across at the upper point to the right and turn it back downwards on the right side of the head. Below the head, I'm going to draw his head with a diagonal curve line downwards from the lower left corner of the brim. Turn it downwards at the side of his head. And at his cheek, I'm gonna flare it out with a curve line to the left and turn it back inwards at the lower point to the right. Copy the same shape on the right side of his head. Now inside of that shape, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw his nose with an oval shape. Right there. And inside of that oval shape, I'm gonna draw a circular shape on the right corner. And I'm gonna fill in the outer part of that circle with black color. From the side of his nose on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards to the left. Same is gonna turn downwards at the side of his mouth. Turn it back inwards at the lower point. Mirror that same shape on the right side of his face. At the ending point below, I'm gonna draw a curved line across from the left all the way to the right. And inside of that shape, I'm gonna draw a line downwards below the nose in the middle point. And at the side of the mouth, I'm gonna draw 3 dots. Like that, and mirror that same set of dots on the left side of his mouth. Now for his eye, above the nose, off center to the left, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards, an arch curved line across to the left, turn it downwards, and curve it back to the right at the lower point. Inside of that shape, in the middle point, a curved line across, turn it downwards on the right corner with curve line, and on the left ending point, curve line downwards, turn it inwards to the right at the lower point. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw in the middle point a circular shape, and inside of that circle, I'm going to draw a black circle in the middle point. Above the eye, I'm going to draw his eyebrow from the middle point. Curve line across to the left, curve line upwards at the outer corner on the left, same as you could turn back to the middle and downwards to the ending point. Fill in that shape with black color. Now for his lower mouth on the left corner, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, same as you could turn to the right, curved line across to the right side of his jaw right there. Same as you could turn back upwards and mirror that same shape on the right side right here. Inside of that, below the upper mouth, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards on the left corner, same as you could turn to the right with curved line, and same as you could turn back upwards on the right side. Now above that line, I'm going to draw his teeth, off center to the right, a line upwards, same as you could turn to the right, same as you could turn downwards on the right side. Copy that same set of shape 2 more times to the right side. Mirror the same shape of the teeth on the left side of his face. Now for his ear, on the top left corner of his head, I'm going to draw a diagonal line at the side, semicircle turn to the left and upwards, semicircle turn to the left and slightly downwards. Turn it downwards with a curved line and semicircle turn sideways to the right. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw at the lower point, diagonal curved line right there. Turn it diagonally up to the left and turn it slightly downwards to the tip of the ear. Mirror that same curved line at the lower point to the ending point on the left right there. At the base of the ear, I'm going to draw 2 lines downwards diagonally to the right there. Mirror the same shape of the ear on the right side of his head. Below his jaw on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally downwards. Turn it downwards. And mirror that same curved line on the right side of his face. Flare it out with a curved line on the right corner. Turn it downwards to the lower part. And at the ending point on the left, I'm going to draw his microphone with a semi-circle shape. And at the side on the left, curved line across to the right. From the ending point on both sides, turn it diagonally down and slightly out. Turn it back inwards diagonally to the middle point and curved line across from the left to the right. Below that, on both sides, I'm going to draw a line downwards to his hand. At that corner, I'm going to draw his finger with curved line across, semicircle turn downwards, and turn it back to the left with a curved line. Repeat the same shape of the fingers 2 more times downwards. Extend it outwards at the side of the hand. Turn it upwards, semicircle turn to the right, and at that point, diagonal curved line upwards to the right. Turn it sideways to the right. Below that curved line, I'm going to draw a diagonal line at the side of the microphone right there. On the left side of his hand, I'm going to draw a semicircle shape for the wrist right there. At the side of his wrist, at the lower point, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line out and to the left, slightly upwards at the outer corner. And for the inner line of that arm, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line from the upper corner, outwards to the left and slightly upwards. Curved line downwards to the ending point below. At the outer corner of that line, I'm going to draw an arch curved line sideways at that point. And above that arch curved line, diagonal curved line to the right and slightly upwards. An arch curved line across to the right. Sharp turn downwards at that corner with a curved line. Diagonal curved line outwards to the left, right there. Inside of that shape, at the side of his shoulder, a diagonal curved line inwards to the right. Below his head, I'm going to draw a ribbon with a rectangular shape in the middle point, right there. And at the side of that shape, at the upper corner, diagonal curved line outwards and up, semicircle turn downwards and turn it inwards to the right. Mirror that whole thing at the lower point right here. And I'm gonna mirror the whole thing on the right side of the ribbon. Below his left hand, I'm gonna draw the left side of his tummy with curved line downwards. Turn it sideways to the right, curve it downwards, across with curve line, curve it back up and mirror the whole set of curve line on the right side of his waist. Below that, I'm gonna trace the same set of curve line again. And from the ending point at the side, curve line downwards, semicircle turn to the right, curve line across to the middle point and turn it diagonally downwards, curve line across to the right, and on the right side I'm gonna copy the same shape of the hips right there. Now below his hips I'm gonna draw his thigh with curve line out on the left corner, turn it downwards at the outer corner on the left right there, sideways to the right. And for the inner line of the thigh, curve line downwards in the middle point. And at that ending point below, I'm going to draw his knee with an oval shape across right there. And below the knee, I'm going to draw his lower leg with a line across, curve line downwards and flare it slightly out on both sides. And curve line across above his ankle point. Below that, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape like that. And at the side of that, a line outwards on both sides. Semicircle turn downwards at the side. Extend it downwards on the right corner right there. Curve line across to the left, turn it upwards, semicircle turn with a curve line to the right. Repeat that same shape of the toes across to the left 2 more times. Above the last toe on the left side, I'm gonna draw a line across to the right and slightly upwards. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the leg on the right side. Now for his right arm, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards at the side of his body right there. And from the ending point above, an arched curve line to the right. Turn it sideways to the left. From the ending point on the right, I'm going to draw his upper arm with diagonal curve line downwards and to the right. Semicircle turn sideways to the left. For the inner line of the upper arm, diagonal curve line at this lower point to the left. At that ending point, I'm going to draw an arched curve line across for the top of his lower arm. And from both sides, I'm going to draw a curve line diagonally downwards, flare it slightly out, and turn it back inwards towards his wrist. From the ending point on the left, I'm going to draw an arched curve line across to the right. Below that, I'm going to draw his hand with a line across, semicircle turn downwards at the outer corner and turn it back inwards. For the inner line, I'm gonna do the same thing right there. Turn it diagonally to the left and slightly downwards, semicircle turn downwards, semicircle turn to the right and semicircle turn upwards on the right side. Sharp turn downwards to the other fingers, semicircle turn back upwards on the right side, and I'm gonna repeat that same shape of the fingers across to the right 2 more times. At the side of the hand on the right, extend it upwards, semicircle turn to the left. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!